Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Queen Shahi, and today in this video you will see the process to run your node on the Avalanche network. For being a validator on Avalanche, you need minimum 2000 AVAX tokens. So let's get started. Here we will see how to use Allnode application for running an Avalanche node, and I have already deposited some money for fees. Allnode charges a minimum fee of $4.5 per month. To start, open Allnode application. You can get the link from the description below. Click on Host. Now you can choose the project you wish to become a validator. Here I am selecting Avalanche. Now select the wallet. I am choosing Avalanche official wallet. Now you have full details to connect your Avalanche wallet to host the validator node, as you can see on the screen. You need to follow the process step by step and paste your wallet address. Then click on Find. Scroll down and select the package you wish to choose. I am choosing the basic package. As you can see, it is charging $10 including platform fee. Now click on Proceed. Hurrah! The node has been successfully created. Now it's time to give a name to your node. I named my node Queen Shahi. Then click on Done. Now we will see a pop-up with instructions to set up validator node. On the Avalanche wallet, go to Earn tab. Click on Add Validator. Now copy the string and insert in node ID. Enter the amount you wish to stake and date until you lock your tokens. As a validator, you get 9 to 11% ROI. Apart from that, you can also earn an additional 2.5% fee when a delegator delegates on your node. You are free to choose the address on which you wish to receive your reward. I selected the one with which I am running my node. Then click on Confirm and finally Submit. As I have done all the steps stated on the pop-up, so now I am going to close it. Congratulations, you are officially a validator on the Avalanche network. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.